What's up guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial and back to my channel. If you've been here for a while and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Yes, I am your inconsistent content creator and I don't do it on purpose. My intentions are always to film something. I don't really have a good enough excuse to really give right now, so I'm just not gonna give any. But I will not make this intro too long because you know that I don't like them in the first place, but I wanted to bring you this very neutral go-to. Neutrals are just my thing. I like neutrals. Hair is very simple. I just put it into a straight back ponytail, laid down my edges, and then I added a ponytail to it. It's a very long ponytail and it is from Trendy Tresses. You guys know that I love Trendy Tresses for my crochet braid styles, and this lovely ponytail, you can add heat to it. It's amazing. Anyway, if you're brand new and you're liking what you're seeing so far, not that this video has even really started yet, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and like this video, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Okay guys, we're going to be starting out with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD. The color of this foundation that I'm using will be listed in my description box. Jumping over to the concealer, I'm going to be using my lovely JUVIA'S Place. It is in the number 12. That one I know by heart, hunty, because I'm faithful to this concealer. And so now we're going to be using my Morphe Bacon Set in Banana Rich to bake. I do still bake, okay? I still find it very necessary. Just because trends change, it doesn't mean what was does not work. I refuse to follow trends, okay? Why fix it if it's not broken? To warm up the face, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Sun STALK'R in Coco Naughty. I'm going to be using my paint pot in Laying Low to prime the eyes. The Warrior 2 palette is literally my favorite palette. Look at it, okay? Just all dirty. So we're just using that lighter brown shade to use as a transition shade. And then we're going to jump into the Morphe 3503 palette. And we're using a darker brown so that we can add some dimension, some depth, some, you know, zhuzh, okay, to the eye, because we're going to make this a nice, deep, brown, smoky eye. And using my NYX Jumbo pencil, I'm going to be applying that to the lids so that the same brown color that we use, we are applying that to the lid. And the black helps it to just deepen up that brown. Using that same brown, we're going to bring it down to the lower lash line. This is what you do to complete a nice smoky eye. And just so that I'm deepening up the crease a little bit, I just went to the darkest brown over from the brown that we just used. Moving on to the glitter, we're using Stila in the Bronzed Belle. And I just applied that, well, I tried to apply it to the center, but you know, when it comes to glitter, you just get excited about that. Tight lining using my NYX waterproof eyeliner, and now I'm using my Colossal Mascara by Maybelline. And for blush eye, of course, I've used Red Vino by MILANI Cosmetics. Now moving on to the highlight, I'm going to be using my Rouge, my Star Powders in LUXE. Adding that to the inner corners of my eyes, the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, my Cupid's bow. And of course, the higher parts of my cheekbones, temple, forehead, and the brow bone. To add to that, I'm going to be adding my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm in Cognac Candy. I just love the shimmer that this provides. And now we're done. We used that mist by MORPHE, and now we are adding my lip liner. This lip liner is by JUVIA'S. Forgot what it's called, but the name of it will be added to the description box. I forgot what it's called because I no longer have the lip liner anymore. It's a retractable liner, which is not really my favorite, especially for how much it costed. I feel like it should have been like $6, not like $10 or however much it was. And this is a liquid lipstick by ColourPop. I believe it was a collab with KARRUECHE or something. It'll be listed below. And then more LUXE on the Cupid's bow. That completes this look, you guys. I'm completely done. Wow, finally. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and I'll catch you in my next video.